Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we have got something to unbox. Let's have a look at the product. So, we have the all-new 85mm 1.8 lens from Nikon. And it is a Z-mount lens. This means it will work without any adapter on Nikon Z series cameras like Nikon Z50, Z6, Z6 II, Z7 and Z7 II, and with all the future cameras Nikon is going to launch in the future. So, without wasting any more time, let's get into it. We have the clean and beautiful box, the standard box in which all the lens comes in. Let's just open it first. Well, to be precise, this is Nikon's Z-mount 85mm f1.8 S lens. It comes with 2 years standard warranty, and it will cost around 50,000 rupees in India. First thing, while opening the box, you will see a beautiful Nikon's pouch to carry the lens with Nikon embroidery over it. Let's keep it aside. User manual for the lens. Do you want to read this? I don't think so. A warranty card from Nikon India Private Limited. A Z-mount sticker. You will get a lens hood for the lens. Keep it in mind, this is not the best quality, it will feel a little bit cheap quality. But keep it safe as it will cost you a lot of money if you want to get a new one. Now we have our lens decently packed. Black in color. Looks fantastic. Just have a look at the lens, this is incredible. This lens is made in China. It is made of plastic and metal. The minimum focusing distance for this lens is 0.8 meters or 2.62 feet. It is an excellent lens for portraits photography. As mentioned, 85mm f1.8. The lens cap at the front is made of plastic. Even the rear cap is also made of plastic, and NIKKOR Z-mount branding over it. We have a button if you want to switch to manual and autofocus. Here is the front element. Suppose you want to add any kind of filter over it. Remember, it will get a 67mm diameter filter for the 85mm lens. This lens will weigh nearly around 470 grams. It's specially made for full-frame cameras. Let's have a look at some specs. Maximum aperture f/1.8. Minimum aperture f/16. Lens construction 12 elements in 8 groups, including 2 edge glass elements and elements with nano crystal coat. Now check out some sample images shot using 85mm on Nikon Z6 Li. That's it for this video. I will see you soon. Bye.